Did you know that 147 million people shopped during Black Friday in 2020? In 2020, a record 147 million people shopped during Black Friday in the United States alone. Retailers use limited time offers to create a sense of FOMO, driving impulse purchases. Scarcity bias is a psychological phenomenon where people value things more when they're in short supply. The term Black Friday originated in Philadelphia in 1951, referring to the chaos that ensued on the day after Thanksgiving. Some retailers start their Black Friday sales as early as Monday, stretching the shopping frenzy across the week. On average, shoppers spend around 5 hours waiting in line on Black Friday, with some waiting up to 24 hours. Find out how stars like Taylor Swift, Rihanna, and Chris Hemsworth overcame bullying to become the icons they are today. Taylor Swift was bullied so badly in school that she ate lunch in the bathroom to avoid her tormentors. Rihanna was constantly teased about her skin tone and hair texture, leading to low self-esteem. Chris Hemsworth was bullied for being overweight and awkward as a kid, but found solace in sports. Lady Gaga was bullied for her eccentric style, and was even thrown into a trash can by her classmates. Michael Phelps was bullied for his ADHD and was told he'd never make it as a swimmer. Kate Winslet was bullied for her weight and appearance, but used it as fuel to pursue her acting dreams.
Follow the meticulous process of restoring a vintage clockwork timepiece, highlighting the skills and techniques required to bring these intricate mechanisms back to life, using a 1920-era Patek Philippe pocket watch as an example. The art of clockwork restoration requires a deep understanding of horology and precision engineering. A single Patek Philippe pocket watch can contain over 200 intricate components, each requiring attention to detail. Restorers use specialized tools, like the lathe, to craft replacement parts that match the original's exact specifications. The cleaning process involves gentle ultrasonic baths and soft bristled brushes to remove decades of grime and oil residue.
Dive into the mystery of the Mary Rose, a 16th century warship that sank during a battle with France, taking over 500 lives with it. The Mary Rose was a 16th century warship built during the reign of King Henry VIII in 1536. This 700-ton vessel was one of the largest and most advanced warships of its time. On the 19th of July 1545, the Mary Rose sank during a battle with France off the coast of Portsmouth. The ship's heavy artillery and top-heavy design made it prone to capsizing in strong winds. Over 500 lives were lost in the disaster, with only 35 survivors rescued from the wreckage. The Mary Rose lay undisturbed on the seafloor for over 400 years before its discovery in 1971. Relive the 5 biggest World Cup upsets, including Senegal's stunning 1-0 win over France in 2002 and Uruguay's 2-1 victory over Brazil in 1950. The 1950 World Cup in Brazil was the first to be televised globally. Uruguay's 2-1 win over Brazil in 1950 is still considered one of the greatest upsets in sports history. Senegal's 1-0 win over France in 2002 was the first time an African team beat the reigning champions. The 2002 World Cup was the first time South Korea co-hosted the tournament with Japan. In 1982, Algeria became the first African team to beat a European team in the World Cup, defeating West Germany 2-1. The 5 biggest World Cup upsets have resulted in only one champion, Uruguay, going on to win the 5. Discover how multiple hard inquiries can affect your credit score, and see an example of how applying for 5 credit cards in 1 month can drop your score by 20 points. A hard inquiry occurs when you apply for credit, causing a temporary dip in your credit score. Multiple hard inquiries in a short period can significantly lower your credit score, sometimes by 20 points. Applying for 5 credit cards in 1 month can trigger lenders to view you as a high-risk borrower. The impact of hard inquiries on your credit score typically lasts for 6 to 12 months. However, the effect of multiple hard inquiries can be mitigated by maintaining good credit habits. Strategically spacing out credit applications can help minimize the negative impact on your credit score.
Visit the Fukushima Daiichi nuclear power plant, where the 2011 tsunami triggered a nuclear meltdown, and discover the ongoing efforts to contain the radioactive waste and rebuild the surrounding communities. The Fukushima Daiichi nuclear power plant is located on Japan's east coast, 150 miles north of Tokyo. On March 11, 2011, a massive tsunami triggered a nuclear meltdown at 3 of the plant's 6 reactors. The disaster released 940,000 terabecquerels of radioactive material into the environment, the largest nuclear accident in history. Today, over 1 million tons of contaminated water are stored in tanks at the Fukushima site, with more being added daily. The Japanese government has established a 1-2-mile evacuation zone around the plant, displacing over 100,000.
Take a journey through the history of the Australian accent, from its British roots to its modern-day distinctiveness. The Australian accent originated from British settlers in the 18th century, particularly from southeast England. In the 19th century, Australian gold rushes attracted immigrants from Ireland, Scotland, and China, influencing the accent. The early 20th century saw a rise in American cultural influence, introducing new words and pronunciations to the accent. Post-World War II, Australian soldiers returned from Britain, bringing back received pronunciation features that blended with the local accent. In the 1960 seconds and 1970 seconds, Australian nationalism led to a deliberate shift away from British pronunciation, embracing a unique identity.
Remember the iconic 1997 NBA Finals game where Michael Jordan scored 38 points despite being severely ill, leading the Bulls to a 90-88 win over the Jazz? On June 11, 1997, Michael Jordan played in Game 5 of the NBA Finals despite being severely ill with flu-like symptoms. Jordan's trainer, Tim Grover, said he had a 103-degree fever and was vomiting before the game. Despite his condition, Jordan scored 38 points, including the game winner with 25 seconds left. The Bulls won the game 90-88, taking a 3-2 lead in the series against the Utah Jazz. Jordan's performance was dubbed the flu game and is widely regarded as one of the greatest in NBA history. The Bulls went on to win the series 4-2, capturing their 5th NBA championship with Jordan leading the.
Get a glimpse into the remarkable life and legacy of Steve Jobs, from his early struggles to his incredible success at Apple. Steve Jobs was adopted at birth and struggled with identity issues throughout his life. He dropped out of college, but attended calligraphy classes that later inspired Macintosh fonts. Jobs' 10-year stint at Apple ended with his ousting in 1985, but he returned in 1997. He merged art and technology, famously saying, "Design is not just what it looks like, it's how it works." Jobs' perfectionism and attention to detail drove Apple's innovative products and $2 trillion valuation. His Stanford commencement speech emphasized staying hungry and foolish to achieve success and make a dent in the universe.